Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Arm Jive lockstep triple. So knowing how to do an Arm Jive Triple already would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a lockstep on its own would be really helpful. I'll put links to videos with those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, we'll show you the move. It takes up a fair amount of space, so it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, you could go for really strong lock steps or you could go for quite gentle ones like we did before. So when you're locking going forwards, you're stepping, you're crossing at the ankles at the back and then stepping out the front. When you're looking at the front, I'll show you from the other side, you're going a step. And if you're doing a nice strong lock step, then the toes go down on the outside. The act of putting the heel down pushes the other leg out and you then get your next step. But you can soften that, you can step, you can cross over without as much push so that it's possible to put the heel down without pushing the other leg out and then take your step. It's all a matter of styling and what you're comfortable with. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard Arm Jive Triple. So we go back, we go over the top, and we get the first step of a normal triple. Now the second step would have normally gone straight down, but instead we're going to hold the lady's frame with the left, we're going to lead with the right side of the frame straight into the other leg to lead the lock, and the guy's going to lock as well. And then we push to get the next step, and that's just a straight push. Now we can do the triple going the other way, the weight comes back, again hold the frame with one side, lead the lock with the other, so we come in, then we get another step, and then we repeat. So it goes step, lock, step, step, lock, step. And then to finish, all we're going to do is send the lady back, get out of the way, do a travelling return, and we are done. So we'll do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, over the top 2, then we get our step, lock, step on 3 and 4. Next one goes on 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, send the lady away 3, over the top 4, and face and finish on 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. Man's left, lady's right, and 5, 6, lock, step, triple. We go a back, over the top, and a step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, back, over and out. And that's the whole thing. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you can make it work out on the dance floor. I would be the first one to admit leading that is quite tough. So my advice would be practice the lock steps in other moves where you have a stronger connection and get really familiar with them before you attempt to go for that one out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing help promote the channel and the moves, so thank you to everyone who does that. Notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told so you never miss a new video when it comes out. Use a recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this too, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.